Good morning students. Today I am going to explain you lesson 7, that is simple movement of sprite. You have already learned in lesson 6 about sprite, about scratch and how this sprite moves in the scratch project. Okay, now in this chapter you will learn simple movement of sprite and you will also learn how to change the appearance of this sprite. Appearance means like in chapter 6 you have learned that sprite is simply a cat. Okay, it is simply a cat in scratch, but in this chapter you can use different object also in place of this cat. So this also I will tell you in this chapter. Now in this chapter first thing is given, that is creating a new project. Now how will you create a new project in Scratch? It's very easy. For creating a new project in Scratch, simply what you have to do, when you will open your Scratch, you will see like this. Simply you have to go to File button and then you have to click on New option. Only two options you have to follow. You have to go on File button and then you have to click on New option. As soon as you will click on new option, this new option will create a new project in Scratch. This will create a new project in Scratch. So if you want to make a new project, if you want to start a new project in Scratch, so simply you have to go to File button and you have to click on new option. It will create a new project in Scratch. Now see next thing which is given in your book, that is changing the appearance of sprite. Now how will you change the appearance of sprite? Now appearance means looks, means how your sprite looks. If you want to change that, like you have seen in your book, your sprite looks like a cat. It is simply a cat in Scratch project, and this you can see it is of yellow color. Now using this option, changing the appearance of Scratch, you can change the color of your sprite or you can change this sprite also. This is simply a cat in Scratch. In place of cat, you can use any other animal also, or you can use any car, buses, or you can use man or woman, picture of man or woman, anything in place of this sprite. You don't have to use only this cat as a sprite. You can use any other object also in place of sprite. So like this you can do so many changes in your sprite. If color you want to change, only you can change the color, or if you want to change some other changes in your sprite, if you want to do, you can do that also. Now in your book, for changing this sprite, some methods are given. Okay. What you have to do, simply you have to go to costume button. One costume button is there. Costume, you know, costume means clothes. Okay, so for changing the costume of this sprite, you have to go to this costume button. Okay, this costume button is present here. You can see in your book, this is your costume button. You will click on this costume button. When you will click on this costume button, it will show you some options. Like first option, it will show you choose costume from library. Means you can choose costume from library. Next option, it will show you paint new costume. This option also it will show. Or upload costume. This option it will show. Or new costume from camera. Okay, 4 options it will show you. One, it will show choose costume from library. Library means the costumes which are present in your Scratch. You can choose from there. Paint new costume means you can color and make new costume of the sprite also. Next one, upload costume, means if you are having some costumes in your computer, you can upload from there. On new costume from camera means you can click a picture from camera and you can use that also as your costume. But in this chapter we will follow this method. Choose costume from library. So when you will click on costume option, after that what you have to do, you have to go to choose costume from library. When you will click on this option, so in your Scratch so many costumes will be available. Like here you can see this is a costume in which you can see man photos are given. Okay, human beings are given. You can choose any sprite from here. So in place of cat, this will come. This picture will come in place of sprite. Or if you will click on animals option, it will show animals like this. Like here you can see butterfly, beetle. So many animals are given in your book. You can choose animals also. One transportation option is there. When you will click on this transportation option, you can choose car, buses, aeroplane, trains as your sprite. So in place of cat, so many options you can use. So for that, what you have to do, simply you have to go to costume option, and from there you can choose any costume, any type of sprite, and you can use in your Scratch project. And when you are choosing this sprite, one motion block is there in sprite. Okay, using this motion block, you can move your sprite. Okay, suppose you have chosen a butterfly as your sprite. So what will happen? One butterfly like this will come on your screen. Okay, now this is your sprite. In place of cat, you have chosen butterfly. Now you want to move this, simply choose motion block, and from there you can move your sprite. You know one block is there, move 10 steps, okay, or 20 steps, like this you have read in lesson 6. Okay, so you can choose this block. This will move your sprite, like 10 steps, it will move 10 steps, 20 steps, it will move 20 steps. And one more block is there, looks. Okay, using this looks block, you can change color. Suppose you have chosen a butterfly of yellow color. Now what you want? You want a butterfly of blue color. So go to looks and choose this. Change color by. Any number you have to choose, like 25 you have chosen. So 25 color, what number 25 color is there? Okay, that color your sprite will change. So using motion block is used to move your sprite, and looks block changes the color of the sprite. Like you can see in your book, this sprite butterfly is there. It is of yellow and green color. And if you want to change the color, what you will do, you will go to looks block, change color effect by. Choose this block, like 25 you have chosen, 25 is for blue. So you can see your sprite means butterfly will come with blue color. So these two blocks are there. You have to remember, motion block is used for moving the sprite, and looks block is used to change the color of the sprite. And using costume block, you can change the appearance of your sprite. Means if you don't want to use cat as your sprite, you can use any other object as your sprite using this costume option. So this much is for today. Now next topic I will continue in next class. Read this from the book. Thank you class.